So guys, today I will discuss with you like what is that carousel. Okay, I will show you how carousel work, and next we have to discuss with the collapse, and we have like pagination. How like in that Google we have, in the below of that we have pagination are there, and we are processing like a button are rounding inside that. So how can we make that? All these things we are discussing today. Okay, so I will at first I will show you like carousel. Next I will go. Okay, wait a minute. I'll open my Visual Studio. Then I will that one get one file inside that. Bootstrap. It's like carousel. COURS. I will write down. It's like not has spelling mistake, but you don't like CAROUSEL carousel. Okay. So next thing is I need class. So before that, I need all the file, whatever like in the bootstrap we require. So it's like CSS file, JavaScript file, and jQuery file. Okay. Next. So I need container fluid. Done. So next we have to designing div, one div. Inside that, so class carousel, CAROUSEL carousel, and slide. Inside we need div, and inside we have carousel item. Class inside we need carousel item. Okay, so next I need the image to like next or figures whatever. So image inside dot slash. Inside we have in the pic folder we have many picture, but I will take the largest picture. I need which one is like harpa.jpg, and other one I need mm, I will copy that one. I will create another div inside cursor, and done. Okay. So next thing is, let's see. I'll open that one in live server. How it's look. We have to go forward. Next, it's not showing anything. Okay. Alpha, and we have mobile.jpg, and another we have class like offer.jpg. Not showing in that any image inside that. Where inside the body we have okay. So I will designing that one finally. Then I will see you like how it's look. Okay. Wait. So next thing I will designing something in that class also. Before that, I need a div, inner div for that. Div1, div2, div3. This one, right? And inside I will designing another div, it's like class.
सर,
Yeah.
आपकी कंट्रोल जेड करिए, उसमें एक आपने टाइपिंग एरर की है। जो कोरोसल स्लाइड लिखा है ना, वो अलग अलग क्लासेस है क्या?
हाँ, ये अलग से है, ये अलग है।
ओके सर,
और
फाइन।
जो एक जैसे कि मेन डिव है उसके अंदर स्लाइड, ये स्लाइड करेगा इसलिए हमने स्लाइड दिया है। ओके।
ओके सर।
Wait, yeah. So in the image, I need that image will be shown in that block form. Class in the D block, display in block, and I need bit is 100%. Okay, so I'll copy that one and I'll paste inside that image. Okay, done. Still not saying. Okay, not issue. I'll designing next thing. So this inner we have inside. We are designing another. Sorry, I need a anchor tag inside. Okay, inside the anchor tag, I need a button. It's a button. Sorry, it's not a button. It's ID. Require span for that. Okay, so in that anchor tag, I need carousel previous button. Carousel. See, control previous icon. Sorry, it's not icon. It's previous control. Okay. So in that, in the below of that, we require class carousel control previous icon. Okay, done. So next I will copy inside and I'll paste another one I require for next button. So I will change something only next, and this is the next icon. Okay. So I need more than that. Wait, I will designing soon. We have done CSS, jQuery file, and bundle file. Bootstrap bundle.js inside container fluid, carousel flight. Okay. Okay, so inside I need ID inside that ID. If I give that ID's name, slide, main slide, okay, or main div you can call it. Okay. Next thing we require data right, data es right. It's like carousel. What will be it right? It will be right the carousel. Okay. So inside we are writing that carousel inner. Inside the carousel inner we have item. So I need to write that active if I want to show one. It's showing perfect now. Okay. So have you of that one? Inside we have button also there. It's a previous button and we have next button. Okay. But I want to function that one because when I click that button, it not function still now. Okay. But I want to function. When I click that previous button, it will be go to the previous, and when I click that like what is that next button, it will be go to the next. It is automatically moving. Okay, but I want to in my control, when I click that previous button and next button, it will be according to that I will manage. So that's why, so I need a control by that OL. So how can I write? I will show you. Wait a minute. So we done that previous, and I think we require a OL. Yeah. So first thing we need to mention that HIF. When I click that button, it be goes to that. So first thing is we are giving that name of that ID is main div. So in that I have to write main div, main div. Sorry, div. Okay. So that's also added in main div. Main div. Okay, done. So what is the role of the particular button? It's a button. Okay, I'll write inside that role. It's button, and inside that also I'll write a role button. It work like a button. Okay, done. So next thing I need to designing that one. So it's like a div inside that we have all these things. Wait a minute, I will check where I need to be mention these things. Yeah. So this one we have, yeah. So inside that I need a OL. It's order list. Inside I need li. Okay. So inside the li, what are the work it will be perform means when I click that enter next button, it will be go to the next slide. When I click the next one, it will go to the next slide. It's the third slide. Okay. If I click that previous slide, it will go to the if it's the third slide, in the third slide it will go to the second slide. Okay. That's why I need OL. So I will designing that one by using class. So class is I will using inside that active. So inside that I require something classes also. What are the we call it? It's carousel indicator. Carousel indicator. Then so next thing we require data target. It will be target to that main div. It's like ID particular main div. So data bs target EAR sorry target to that main div. So main div. Okay, done. So next thing I will require same. So I will copy that one. Okay. So but at the time I don't want to apply that classes in that second one and third one because I need like one image will be active. When I click that button like a previous button and next button, it will be perform according to my requirement. Okay. So next I require data slide to data bs slide to 0 zero slide. Okay. So same thing I will write inside that data ps slide to 1. Okay. So this one also I require data bs slide to slide 2. Sorry, yeah, 2 because it started from 0 now, and that's why. Okay. So I think we've done all these things. I will check once, then I'll let you know that I'll get all these things done. Yeah, I will check it's work fine or not. Okay, it's not working still now. Wait, I will check what happened inside that. Carousel control previous button, all these things are done. I will check from the first. It's like carousel slide, all these things. In that required carousel slide, it's done, and we are giving that ID. It's and we done the data ps right. It's carousel. And inside that we are writing like carousel indicator and it's active. Class is active. Inside we are giving that data ps target and it's like target to that main carousel. It's means main div. We are done that one also. But what happened inside that? Wait. Data target we are done. Data bs target. Slide 2. All these things are same, but what happened? Inside we have required href, role is the button, its button, class is carousel control previous, and we have done that one. And it's in the span we have carousel control previous icon. Inside also we have href, its main, carousel or d whatever. Inside carousel control next, role button, all these things done, but it's not working. Okay. So okay, write down inside that inspect. Okay, not an issue. I will show you another one how it's work. But I think I will write same codings in that, but it's not working. What is the error? I don't know. What is that error? Carousel we are writing, slide, main deep, all these things have we write. Anything we had missed that, database, all these things. I think. Okay, I will show you another one. Wait, I will designing that one inside that. So I will show you that one. Wait, I will copy that one. I will paste inside that. So you have to got a better idea. Okay, it's working fine now. I will show you coding part. So this is my container fluid. I will give inside that main one. I will write the ideas main one. Inside I will designing class and carousel side. Inside we have database side carousel, and inside we are designing carousel indicator. Same thing, and we have liquid class active. All these things are there. Same thing. Database slide two, database slide two. All these things, and like database target, it will be target to that main. It's like we are giving inside the main one, we target that one. Okay, so inside we have carousel inner and carousel item. This will be active if I want to active the particularly. So if I want that one to active, so inside that if I write active, then it will be show me that one. Okay, so if you write like active third one, next it will be show you like a third one. Okay, so this is the difference between active. Or if I written inside the class, it's like a second one, third one. It will be so as like a requirement. If you want to show that one like second one, second slide or past slide, whatever, then according to that. Okay. So inside that I will designing the role button, all these things, database slide, it's previous. Okay, okay, okay. I think that's is my wrong. Data BS slide I will not write inside that. Wait, I will check what happened. This one, but inside data ps write it's previous, sorry, not writing inside that, that's why it's not working. Data ps right, next, let's see it's working or not. Till now it's not working. I think it's data bs right, or anyone we can check, data bs slide. Okay, it's slide not right. You have to remember all that like item, all these things like class name, all the attribute you have to remember. That's why it's a problem. Okay, it's working fine now. I hope you understand how it's work. I will share you that one also. It's just like carousel file to you. So you have to got a decent idea about that, how it's work and how we can write. Because if you're confusing, I will give you another like once again I will teach you that one. It's like a in like before you have to design the carousel. Inside we have carousel indicator. Okay, this one is a old. If you want to don't want to like previous button and like next button, that one is not required. If you want to like automatically it will move, then you have to write carousel inner. In the carousel inner we have many item, whatever item you want, like more picture, if you want four picture whatever, then you have to write inside that carousel item. Okay, carousel item we have image. So in the image we have to write that will be like display in that block, because if you not write in that b block, it will be show in that like line by line. Okay, so if I want to like show in that, when I click that one, it's like a block, so I need like all that image will be blocked, and which will be 100%, because if not write I will 100%, it will be showing that like 50% if you write inside that, or like 75 whatever, it will be so according to that. So what is the requirement of that one? So anchor tag. Anchor is a, like you know that when I click that button, it will be navigate to the particular link. So it is a button. I will create that in the span. Okay, this is a button. It is like automatically button in that like bootstrap. It's carousel control previous button and carousel control next icon. Icon inside that we are creating a button. So role is button. All these things, and what is a database slide and all these things. This is like when I click that button, it's like go to the previous and next all these things, and we have classes. Okay, so what is the work of that particularly like anchor tech? It will be to the previous one, it's the control, like next one it will be control that one. Okay, so you have to give that main navigate to the particular id. So you have to, this one is my id I will be using inside that, so everywhere I will using that one. Okay, so like inside that data target or hr, we are giving that same like id also. Before that you have to use hot side, because we are giving you that indicator that this is the id, and we want to target that one, or we want to navigate that on the particular page or particular position whatever. Okay, so I hope you understand these things how its carousel work. Okay, but you have to remember all these, that class name and attribute whatever is there, because if you forget that one things, then it's not working. Okay, this is a problem. If there is doubt, you can ask me in the chat box as well, so I will give you a decent idea about that also. So if not out, okay, so next we have to go to the collapse. How collapse work? Next we have to go to the pagination, all these things. Wait. Okay, I will show you the collapse. By the naming of that, you have to you need to understand these things. Like collapse means if you want to collapse that particular building or like whatever. So at the time when I click that button or like link, it will be collapse like in that top and bottom, whatever you require according to that will be collapse. You copy these things. Next thing I will show you like its class and like container to it. Okay, so next thing I will designing a button and also link. It's anchor tag inside. I will write it's like show and hide. It's a anchor tag. I will designing a button also for your understanding how it's work also. It's like show and hide, and I will give the button classes. It's class inside btn primary and btn secondary, whatever you need. You have to give that inside that info. Okay. So next thing, that one also I require a classes, but after that I will give you, but no need that one in that time. So next thing is data bs toggle is equal. We'll toggle the particularly. So data bs toggle is that collapse. Wait, coll double la bs done. So next thing also I think button also required data target and data toggle. Inside I will write it's a target. What why not like I'm writing inside that target, because this one is the target the particularly, but I did in the button it's target and like toggle also. So okay, data bs toggle, it will be in that collapse. Okay, so data es target, target. Okay, it will be target to the particularly. Okay, so next thing I will designing a collapse button. Whenever I click that button or like link, it will be shown in the height. So I will design a div. Inside I need a h2 let's say collapse heading. Okay, so inside I need a paragraph. Let's say lorem. I will write that inside that. Okay, then we have to done all these things, but we require class inside that. When I click that button, it will be collapse. So class collapse, collapse. Okay, and collapsing. Okay, both classes you have to use inside that. Okay, then you have to use a id for target to that. When I click that button, it will be target to the particular d. So this one I will like collapse tag t collapse t I will write on inside that. This is my idea. We copy and I'll paste inside, but before that I need a heart sign, and this one also I require a heart sign. Okay, let's see. Need to open that one live server. Okay, so when I click show button, it show me. Okay, it's collapse to the like particularly. When I click that show, it show me like it hide to that because it's in the show form. If I like show in that hide, so hide, so okay, whatever you require, it's a collapse button. Okay, so if you designing that vertically a button or whatever according to your requirement, you have to design it. Okay, this one is the like you can designing a like for anchor text. Okay, this is the collapse one. Next thing we have to discuss pagination and like what is the thing is that I think wait a bit spinner. What is the spinner? How it's work and pagination. I will show you that one also. Wait. Pagination dot html inside. I need something that one all the link that's inside that. Okay. So it's class inside its container fluid, and in that we require has two heading. So pagination heading. Okay, so next thing I require a ul. I will designing ul inside I require li. Okay, so in the ul the class is required. Class is pagination wait pagination lg. Okay, so pagination lg wait pagination and pagination whatever it's not coming. Not double L, it's one L I think. And copy that one, I'll paste inside. If it's the spelling mistake, then it's not going inside. Then I'm getting error inside that. Okay. So next thing I will require. So this is the UL inside. I will design that like li. Okay. So li is class inside. We require page item. Okay. We done that page item, but inside we require a link anchor tag. So I will anchor tag. So inside the anchor tag, I required all the classes, all these things, class, and like you have to like link that test link. We have test link. You have to link the test. So if you want to link that particular test, then you have to use these things. Okay. So for previous we are using the code is like L A U U O. Yeah, that way. Okay, for previous button. We'll show you what is previous on all these things, but before that, 1 2 3 4 5. So this one is, I will write inside that 1 2 and 3. This one 1, and that one is 2, and that one also is 4, 5. Okay, these are 5 pages there. If you want to more, then you have to use more inside that. Okay, and like we have what is that? It's like next button. Sorry. So next button we are require a code inside that. What is the code we are? We have RAQ, RAQ, UO. We're done all these things. Let's I'll open that phone in the live server. Okay, this one is the federation done. So when you click that button or that button, if you want to link the particular page, when I click that one, then you have to link inside that. I will give you a W3 square like link. Let's see, I will show you that one also. W3 square. Okay. So when I click that one button, it will go to that particular page. Okay, this will be already like you know that if you go to the any browser, it will be so like every page. If you want to continue the second page or third page, whatever. Okay, this is the pagination we are using. Next, we have to discuss like spinner. We'll show you spinner also. Wait, SPINNER, PINNER. What has to do? HTML. So I will copy that one. All the coding. If I write all this thing, taking time. And I will remove all the body part I don't require. Okay. So next thing, we're designing a spinner. So span inside I require the classes class. So it's like spinner grow. If you are spinner grow and spinner border, all these things are there. Spinner grow. Open that one live server. You have that one, spinner grow, that one means is the processing button. Okay, if you want to talk that one. So we have like other one is also there, span class, and we have spinner uh pro sm, all these things are there. Wait, running that one, it's smlg border, sorry, it's grow sm, whatever, spinner sim, spinner grow, spinner border, spinner spinner sm. If I using spinner border, what happen? Okay, this one is a spinner border. Okay, and if you want to change the color, then you have to use like text danger, like this. In this text that we are using info, it's not affected, then you have to use, yeah, it's affected now. Okay, so if you want to change that smlg, you can not change that one. Wait, in that if you want like sm, it's not working now, but you have to if you want like smaller all these things, you can manage by width also, and we can like increase or decrease the border width, all these things we can do that. Okay, I hope you understand like what is thinner and how it's work and how we are designing all these things, and pagination and carousel. Next we have to discuss all these things like whatever are there in that what is that bootstrap we are discussing tomorrow. Okay, I hope you understand these things. If you have any question, you can write on the chat box, as well as personally you can ask me. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Please write down in the chat box your attendance, then you can leave. Thank you so much. Have a good day.